This is what it looks like right before we're about to do our Captain Andy's sunset boat cruise. I'm having the time of my life. All right. Yesterday was an incredibly full day. What did we do yesterday?
So many things. We started with, oh no.
Today, we're heading out. We're gonna go check out some stuff in the south, maybe the Kauai Coffee Company, maybe some rum tasting, whatever. Just, we're making our way down to Port Allen because tonight we're doing a sunset cruise with Captain Andy's.
I'm excited.
Yeah, we like getting on boats. And how often do you get to see something as spectacular as the Napali coast from the ocean? Here we go. Full day exploration and excursions. Kauai.
Favorite coffee is apple cinnamon malasada or a blueberry crumble.
What flavor are you trying?
I'm trying the blueberry crumble. It smells very blueberry.
It does smell like blueberries. Very, very aromatic. Aroma. The aroma is lovely. Malasada. Malasada, like the donuts.
Another one booster before I'm running.
Thank you.
Ooh. Barrel aged. This one has the essence of rum. Ooh, it's pretty good. One of my favorite things to do on any trip, press pennies. We're in Hanapepe and Molly found this restaurant online, Japanese Grandma, and we tried to eat here yesterday, but it was all booked up. We're back today in Hanapepe and we're gonna have lunch at Japanese Grandma's.
Hey guys.
Hi. Japanese Grandma just walked by us and said hello. So we'll have to try to meet her again inside. And this is Japanese Grandma.
Hi.
What's your name?
Keiko.
Keiko. I'm Mike.
Hi, Mike.
This is Molly.
Hello.
We tried to have dinner here last night, but it was totally full.
Oh,
So we're back.
Thank you for coming back.
Yeah, of course.
I appreciate that.
No, we're excited.
Have a great time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Napali's favorite time of the day.
I'm so hungry.
This is what it looks like right before we're about to do our Captain Andy's sunset boat cruise. You can see everybody is running in behind me. It's pretty wet. Hopefully the boat ride is a little bit drier. How excited are you for this boat ride we're about to take?
We're about to get real wet.
And we're all dressed up for a sunset cruise.
A romantic sunset cruise.
All right, we're going down to the Captain Andy's boat ship. We're leaving for our cruise. We're expecting sunny skies and a beautiful sunset.
Let's go inside.
Welcome. Hey guys, welcome.
Thank you. Aloha.
Aloha guys, welcome to my beautiful Catamaran $1 million boat.
Well, it's only been a couple minutes and the boat has left and it's already clearing up. The rain is dissipating, almost gone completely. And we're not even out of the harbor, so
I'm not wet at all.
rainstorm to a beautiful day on the Napali coast. It's kind of a rough ride. You gotta hold on. It's an adventure. Dinner on the Captain Andy's sunset boat cruise on the Napali coast, and this is like my favorite part. They put up the sail and now we're just sailing back. It's way more chill than the ride up, so if you're worried or concerned that the boat is going to be too rough or the seas are going to be too choppy, just know that the ride up was pretty adventurous, pretty high speed, lots of wind, and a lot of up and down motion, but coming back, the sails are up and it's smooth and it's chill. We ate dinner, it's beautiful. Definitely worth it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us. Enjoy. Aloha. What is up?
No.